Jake, you wanna check your left?
Wait, did you surprise us with mystery tech? Is it already hidden somewhere?
What? Oh! What is this, Austin? What could this be? Austin Evan. This is the right thing.
Not.
Right?
I know exactly what this. Ken.
Aw, you even got a letter from Susan. Also, can I give a shout out to Clark, who inspected the package with great care. Thank you, Clark.
Okay, I'm gonna tell a story. I'm gonna tell a brief little story about why this is on Mystery Tech. So I hit 1 million subscribers 4 years ago, something like that. It's been quite a while, but I never got the option to claim my play button. And so I didn't want to be that weird person who's like, hey, give me my shiny trophy. So I never asked for it and I never got one. But Ken has been determined. He's been single-handedly on board with getting a gold play button, and now we have it. I'm glad you're here to share in this moment.
I'm very excited for you. I can't believe you hit 1 million subscribers. That's so big. Actually, you know what?
Yes.
That's bigger than Las Vegas. That's bigger than Venice. It's bigger than Vancouver.
Also, this mystery tech's a little different because my buddy Jake Roper's here.
Hi.
I wasn't ready for the
I'm
thing.
Jake Roper. You might remember me from such things as Vsauce 3,
Yes.
Your Dreams, and also your future stepfather. Good to see you.
All right, thanks Ken for finally making me get the play button.
Hey, thanks, Ken. Thanks. Hey, thanks, Ken. Hey, thanks, Ken.
All right.
That's so cool. You should have a projector set up, like showing it constantly going up.
That's what we did for the Intel thing. Oh, what? Are we supposed to get underneath the blanket together?
Do you want me under the blanket, Ken? I'll get under the blanket.
What's going on? I'm very confused.
You can get in the blanket together.
Oh, cool, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
How
hi,
you
how's it
doing?
going?
I feel like we're in Harry Potter.
Audio is so much better. Oh yeah, it's the invisibility cloak. Ken, why is this so awkward?
How long do we have to be under here, Ken?
Yeah, can we please leave yet? It's really warm underneath here.
It is really warm.
This is such an elaborate episode of Mystery Tech.
I'm gonna get out of here. There's gonna be lipstick all over my collar. It'll be so weird. Don't look at the ground,
I
Austin.
want to know what's going on.
Look at my eyes. Stay
Okay.
focused on my eyes.
Okay.
Can we get out?
Ready?
Okay, here we go.
Why? Well,
What's it look like?
wait. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Hold on. This is the deepest of deep cuts. So back in 2012, I did a video with Samsung on the Galaxy camera. I have a way too large white shirt, which is where this comes in. I almost blend in with the background. It's an amazing video. Did you really need to get an entire, mannequin for this? Also, why is he so tall? I feel so short now.
What are you doing to him? What are you doing?
Wait a minute.
Oh, flagged for review.
Hey guys, this is Austin. And today I'm here with a video on the Galaxy camera. Oh boy.
You know what's kind of funny is that he has more movement than you usually do.
Oh.
JK!
We also got a Halloween costume for you too.
Oh, sweet, is it a pizza?
Oh, that's.
Nice. I'm glad that you kept the tag on it so you can return this later.
Whoa. Wow. Okay. Wow. We got a little wardrobe malfunction.
Definitely demonetized. Come on, I thought you go to the gym.
Yeah, but he's falling apart. I don't think I'm.
Oh no! Here, don't worry, I got you.
Ready?
Okay.
Up.
Where
Okay.
does it go in?
I don't know. Just stick it in, man. Just stick it in.
I need to find the hole. Hold on.
It's fine. It's in
It's
there
not
somewhere.
fine. There needs to be a hole, Austin.
It's okay. Just try harder.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Where's his hole?
Oh,
That's your hole. Sorry, wrong person.
Oh no! No! Oh my god!
Where's his hole? Does anyone know where this goes? Let me just grab it right there.
There we go. Drop him.
Oh, perfect.
That's much better.
Okay, let me just. Are you doing a? Oh,
It's okay.
that's okay.
Why is he such a giant? There we go. At least the figure's accurate. You know, this is exactly what I look like. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Yeah, that's about accurate. Okay, I think I'm in it. SD card inserted. Yes. Let's take a nice pic.
All right, let's do it. Wow, that's an old school shutter sound.
Oh, yeah.
It's slightly upside down, but besides that, it's perfect.
You can flip it in post. Josh.
So what made the Galaxy camera kind of special was that it is a basically full point and shoot that happens to run Android. This actually would be kind of cool if they made a modern day version of this.
Yeah, but no.
How does it look though?
Looks great. This does. I don't see the point really. I'm gonna take this. I'm sorry. It's very warm. The pizza's super insulating. There we go.
Okay, to imagine an RX 100 that ran Android, right? That was slightly bigger, that had like more of the phone functionality built in. That could be kind of cool.
Riddle me this, Austin.
Go for it.
Why would one need a camera that has like a phone operating system but not the phone part of it?
Anyway, so the Galaxy camera. Oh no, what's this?
Ooh, where's the knife?
Oh, great.
I'm gonna just open it towards you.
Okay, I will step back here.
Oh, it's already open. Ken, why do you take everything from me? You're the worst stepson I've ever had, Ken.
Oh
It
no.
looks like some sort of bicycle thing. Oh, look at that. So it's when you're sitting down, you can pedal on your bicycle.
The power box. So the idea is this is just like a standing bicycle, but it uses a chair. Wait, what? Oh, this is very confusing.
2 arrows
Oh,
with
it's
an electrical
generator.
bulb.
Well, hold on. Wait.
Wait, does it charge your phone?
Generator mode. That's what it is.
Yes!
Okay, let's do this. Then open the base, so unclip and remove the leg pen. So what's the leg pen? Also, I should really just take off these glasses and put my real ones on. This is very difficult to see. So the idea is as you're pedaling, you can power something off of the full outlet, even though, I guess it depends. It says 20 watts for 10 minutes max, or 14 watts continuous. So I guess it'll overheat if you try to pedal too long.
Guess we're gonna have to find out. Let's see an explosion.
Also, why do they say you have to lubricate everything with dishwashing soap? They say that multiple times, like multiple things need to be dishwashed. So this doesn't wanna.
Just lubricate it. If you lubricate it, it will go in much more seamlessly.
I see why they asked for the lubrication.
I mean, I think this is good enough.
Okay, well,
Let's attach some pedals.
we get the feet on though, because otherwise it's gonna like.
It's fine.
Okay. All right.
We got this.
All right. Are we ready? Okay.
Okay, maybe we need to get this foot on.
Let's get the foot on.
Okay. Just a little bit of dish soap.
Wait. It's good.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay, let me
All
lubricate this. Get it.
right. Oh, okay.
No, hold on. Okay, come on. Maybe if I just.
This is a solo operation.
Oh, yeah.
Did it work?
Thank you, dish soap.
Never fails. Lube saves the day.
Okay, we're at 76%.
Wait.
Come on. Use those thighs.
All right. Are we charging?
We're charging
How long do I have to do this?
until I get to 100.
Okay.
So,
It's fine. My shoes are too big. I'm actually gonna take
all
off my
these
shoes
excuses.
for a
Oh, the
second.
pins are wrong. My shoes are too big. There's a snake in my boot.
Who thinks this is a good idea? Like, are we living in some Mad Max apocalypse where all you have is the power of the power box to charge your gadgets? Jake, what if I was really in the Mad Max world? Do you have any ideas on how I can survive?
Yeah, I do. There's a video on Vsauce 3.
What? Really?
Just
That's a
about the
coincidence.
Mad Max apocalypse. There's explosions, there's war boys, there's car flips.
Is there a power box?
There's no power boxes
Oh.
because this is just a really dumb idea.
Okay, well, you should go watch Jake's video.
Link down in the description, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and tell your mom that you love her because she always tells me about how you don't and it really hurts her.
I've never gotten this sweaty for a mystery tech before.
It's because you haven't had me on the show.
We haven't had him on the show.
Oh, wow, that hurts. I'm
okay,
right
man.
here. Uh-oh.
All right. This looks. Wait, what does it say?
It says Gula Mera Super Dua Kalapa.
Okay, that's.
I believe that's a spell.
Oh!
Ooh, what is this?
Mini arcade for Game Boy? Hold on a second. So I've seen a lot of weird gaming accessories. I've seen a lot of Game Boy accessories. I've never heard of this. It's even got a little magnifier for the
It's
screen.
high performance joystick, super stereo sound. That sounds like an Apple branding thing.
Oh, I'm so in right now.
Oh, do you need a knife?
No. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a lot bigger than the Game Boy I was expecting.
Yeah. Well, if you want to play Game Boy on levels higher than you've ever seen, you need this.
I don't want to rip the box because this thing looks like retro and probably very expensive. How much was this?
180.
What?
That's a lot of money.
180 US dollars? Kenjamin.
So for reference, the Game Boy is already a very large portable by today's standards. But this is wow. Okay, so headphones.
And this kind of like seats in, and then
That tucks in there.
yeah.
All right, so if we put our giant C batteries in.
Oh! Oh wow, this is. Whew, I'm on the edge of my seat.
So this is
Aw.
I might not be good at Tetris. This is crazy though. This is legitimately one of the most ridiculous accessories I've ever seen. I didn't even know they ever made anything like this. I mean, look how big it is. It's like 2 of Jake's heads. The resemblance is uncanny.
It does look a lot like me. Dad? Is that you? What do we got, Ken? Oh!
I think I know what this
I know
is.
exactly what this is because I own one.
Yeah,
Oh, that's Nicolas Cage. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Nicolas Cage. Whatever. Close enough. There you go. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
There's also a gift from us to you.
It's your gift for
And it
coming
even
on Mystery
comes
Tech.
with the pillow inside of it. I'm so happy.
So sometimes I like to think that Mystery Tech, we go a little over the rails, we get a little crazy with it. But this takes it to a whole new level. I blame you, Jake. I blame you.
I wouldn't.
I do.
You know what I would blame? When I was 16, my
Okay.
parents got divorced.